Morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start chapter 7, the prairies, temperate grasslands. So before starting this chapter, you have to put today's date on the top of this page, and before starting this chapter we should revise and recall the location of all the important latitudes, okay, so that we can understand the location of prairies. It is temperate grassland. So for that you have to recall this diagram which we have discussed on 22nd April, है ना. So equator, it is the middle latitude, and this area, Tropic of Cancer to Tropic of Capricorn, the area in between 23.5 degree north latitude to 23.5 degree south latitude is called tropical zone, because it lie between two tropics, okay. And the area between 23.5 degree south to 66.5 degree south is called temperate zone. Same way, the area between 23.5 degree north to 66.5 degree north is called temperate zone, okay. So here you can recall, you can learn the location of temperate zone. So temperate zone, okay, temperate zone. So it is located, we can say it is located between Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle, and it is located in the south side, Tropic of Capricorn to Antarctic Circle. So this area is known as temperate zone. Degrees also I told you. So same way, let's start from the book. Here it is we have done, we have studied on the rounded shape, है ना. So now on the flat surface, you can, on the flat surface we can, yes, now on the flat surface, 0 degree equator, middle latitude, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, then Arctic Circle, then Antarctic Circle, okay. So these are the latitudes, okay. So here let's revise the location of temperate zone. Tropic of Capricorn to Antarctic Circle, area between 23.5 degrees south to 66.5 degrees south is called temperate zone, okay. Same way in this north side, area between 23.5 degree north to 66.5 degree north, or we can say the area between Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle is called temperate zone, okay, clear. So here in this chapter we have to study temperate grasslands, okay. Temperate grasslands means those grassland which are located in temperate zone. So you can see the greenish area here. The green color indicates grasslands, and it is in, these are in temperate zone, okay. Temperate zone, same temperate zone, okay. It is tropical, Africa's grassland are located in tropical zone, but maximum grasslands are located in temperate zone, okay. So now let's start. Most of the grasslands of the world are found in temperate zone, as we have seen in the map or on the diagram. This zone lies in both of the hemispheres. In the northern hemisphere, it lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle, already we have discussed. In the southern hemisphere, it lies between Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle, already we have studied with the help of diagram or with the help of map. So these areas are called by different names in different countries, okay. So these areas, these grasslands are called by different names in different countries. First, prairies in North America. So first one, prairies in North America. So it is the location of North America continent. So in North America, the grassland is called prairies, okay. Second, steppes in Russia. You can see here steppes, it is the grassland of Russia. Then next, pampas in South America, pampas in South America. Then wilds in South Africa, wild in South Africa. Then downs in Australia, okay. So these are we have studied the location of all the grasslands of the world. In the next video we will discuss the chapter. Okay.